Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our next contestant to grace the stage this evening is contestant number 6. Please put your hands together for Miss Tonga Tourism, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka. Denise Vaiolima Hafoka is 24 years old and was born and raised in Tofoa, Tongatapu. She is one of 6 siblings and attended GPS Paula and then moved to Sainaha High School where she graduated. She is currently studying towards a major in hospitality and tourism with a minor in Pacific Island Studies at Brigham Young University, Hawaii. She is currently also working as an intern for Fiji Airways. Her hobbies include playing volleyball, taking swimming classes, and spending time at the library. She is beyond grateful to represent Miss Tonga Tourism 2019, and she wishes a big malo aupito to her sponsor, the Ministry of Tourism, for letting her participate in the experience. Hoi ka mo kainga, contestant Fikaono, Miss Tonga Tourism, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka, taungofulu mafa. Denise Vaiolima Hafoka, Miss Tonga Tourism Wafe Mata Hiva. Kono teunga tawolunga. Matai tofe. Na e kufi ia he ko whanga wha e tangata, me he funga ana lilo, vau nuka me hunga vavau. Vahi lolunga, mo e funga matahiva me haawhe waha apai, pe lano he moana vavale o e langi tu lilo, pe monamo lahi me kotu. Ka whapulu, nei whi pe a kako ia e family wha e ko tangata eiki, me he funga vei mamuni, me toula, mo e kirikiri te fua, pe mo mata moana me makawe vavau. Ngato uli, nei ngauhi ia me he heapo na ito, i he ahi o lākai, pe a amusi ia e he whamiri tamai e ko tangata eiki, me he hifo, a hau, mo e whala o si, pe mo e niuto tolu, me kano kupolu. Lolo milimiri, koe lolo pako, pe nei ngauhi ia e whamiri wha e ko wha e. Koe foi niu, nei o mai ia, mei he lolo a halai walu, mei loto nei afu. Pea koe foi pako, nei ta aki mai ia, mei he kolonga tata, moi funga matahiva me he haawhewa. Teki teki, mahoku vesa, koe tofe, o ko whakawa e pulu, nei whi, pea kako ia, he hoko whanga mehe kitanga. Ko hoku teki teki, mahoku vesa, ke kātoanga o e whiawhini. Ka hoa, koe tofe o ko tāwani aki ai pulu ko vilohi ke tākai i hoku ki a ke manongi, pea alaha o whisikitua me ai whakaapa-apa, lototo, mamahi i mea, pe moe vei tokai aki, pe toki malama mai ia i e whiawhini, o hohulu hono whakaofa-ofa, ko si ete talangofua. Hoi ki mo kainga, mo paspasi i mai ai contestant Fikaono, Miss Tonga Tourism, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 6, Miss Tonga Tourism, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka. Denise Vaiolima Hafoka, 24 years old, born in Tofoa. She is one of 6 siblings and attended GPS Paula and then moved to Saineha High School where she graduated. And she's very appreciative of being the Miss Tonga Tourism 2019 and extends her big malo aupito to her sponsor, the Ministry of Tourism of the Kingdom of Tonga, for letting her participate in this experience. Ho'e ka mo kainga mo tayo paspasi imay ka desinfika ono, Miss Tonga Tourism, Denise Vaiolima Hafoka.